Play this daily, and you'll start remembering these concepts without studying. Your brain learns through repetition and rhythm. So when you hear something enough times, it sticks automatically. That's what SoundMind learning is designed to do. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. Just listen.
ServiceNow.
Everybody's working in a giant company. Different teams, different jobs, different responsibilities. But behind the scenes there's someone making sure the whole system runs smooth and secure.
Imagine a skyscraper touching the sky, people moving fast as the hours go by, meetings in rooms all across the floors, workers coming in through revolving doors. Building manager keeps everything right, making sure the air works, turns on the lights, updates systems, keeps things maintained, so the whole building stays sustained. They don't join every meeting every day, they just make sure the building works okay. The environment supports the people inside, so everybody can work and thrive. That's a ServiceNow administrator, keeping systems running greater, helping teams work efficiently, supporting the business technology, track the work and automate, keep the workflows operating straight, centralized communication flow. That's what ServiceNow helps organizations do. Across the company, employees log in, submitting requests and tracking things. It's support and approval change, workflows moving through the lanes. The admin keeps the platform strong, fixing issues when something's wrong, configuring tools and improving speed, helping users complete what they need. They manage settings and permissions too, update forms for different groups, support automation every day, keeping inefficient systems away.
Without administration, problems grow, processes break and progress slows, information gets lost in different places, teams lose track and workflows breakages. Instead of emails everywhere, text messages floating through the air, spreadsheets scattered all around. ServiceNow keeps it centralized and sound. One platform helps organize, track requests and simplify, route information team to team, creating structured workflow systems clean.
That's a ServiceNow administrator, keeping systems running greater, helping teams work efficiently, supporting the business technology, track the work and automate, keep the workflows operating straight, centralized communication flow. That's what ServiceNow helps organizations do. Automation saves valuable time, routing tickets right down the line, notifications, approvals too, automatic tasks moving through, less manual work every day, more efficiency in every way. The platform helps the business grow. That's the power of ServiceNow.
ServiceNow, men doesn't do every task. They support the system behind the staff. Their job is helping everybody else work effectively across the business itself. The role is technical and operational too, managing systems organizations use, keeping workflows smooth and clear, helping teams succeed year after year.
That's a ServiceNow administrator, platform manager, workflow creator, centralizing information flow, helping modern businesses grow, configure, maintain, troubleshoot too, improve the tools employees use, support the system every day, and keep the business running great.
ServiceNow helps organizations track, automate workflows and stay on track, and administrators help make sure the platform stays efficient and secure.
ServiceNow.